Welcome guys, we will replace the LCD panel. Apply heat with heat gun on back cover of the phone. With blade make space between back cover and body. Remove back with X-ray or like X-ray any plastic sheet, do not damage fingerprint scanner flex. Here is fingerprint scanner flex. Clean place of the back cover on around the body. Remove screws from the protection cover. Remove protection cover. Remove screw from ringer buzzer. Remove ringer buzzer. Disconnect LCD display flex connector. Apply heat on the LCD, must shake heat gun on around the LCD while applying the heat. Make space with blade between LCD glass and body. Remove LCD panel with X-ray. X-ray should be under of the LCD, do not damage LCD display flex even LCD panel is totally damaged, this will be your practice for glass replacement. Clean place of the LCD panel from around inside the body. Remove earpiece mesh from broken LCD panel. Prepare new LCD panel. Apply gum around the LCD panel on the glass. You can use new protection tape or take protection tape from broken LCD panel and apply on the touch flex. Install earpiece mesh in the body. Install LCD panel in the body. Connect LCD display flex connector to the main board. Install ringer buzzer. Put back screws on ringer buzzer. Install protection cover on the main board. Put back screws on the protection cover. Apply gum on the place of back cover around the body. Install back cover of the phone. In the end must use rubber bands for good fitting, remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Power on phone, check display and touch working. All you have done successfully. Thank you for watching.